We are continuing with the equations of a straight line. Here the question is, find the equation of the medians of triangle ABC. Okay, let's make the triangle ABC. And the coordinates of A are -1 and 2. Then we have B, 2 and 1. And C is 0 and 4. Whose vertices are this. Hence, find the coordinates of the centroid of triangle. Okay, first we have to find the equations of the medians. Now we know that median is that line which divides the line on which it falls into two equal parts, right? So M is the midpoint of BC. So how do we find the coordinates of midpoints of BC? Midpoint of BC, x1 plus x2 by 2 upon, that is 2 plus 0 by 2 and 1 plus 4 by 2. So that is 2 by 2, 1. 4 plus 1 is 5 by 2. So these are the coordinates of M, right? Similarly, we will go here and drop a median here. Let it be L. So how do we find the coordinates of L here? -1 plus 2. -1 plus 2 by 2 and 2 plus 1 by 2. So the coordinates of L are 1 by 2 and 3 by 2. We found the coordinates of L also. Then from B, let it be N, and the coordinates of N are -1 plus 0, that is -1 by 2, and 2 plus 4, 6 by 2. So coordinates of N are -1 by 2 and 6 by 2, which is 3, right? So we got the coordinates of N also, L also and M also. So we have to find the equation of CL, BN and AM. So for finding, okay, let's find the equation of AM. For that we need the coordinates of A, which are -1 and 2, and coordinates of M we have calculated as 1 and 5 by 2, right? So this becomes my x1, this is y1, this is x2, y2. So let me find the equation of AM, that is first median. So that will be y minus y1 upon x minus x1 equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So let me substitute the values. This is y minus 2 divided by x minus x1 is plus 1 equal to y2 is 5 by 2 minus y1 is 2 divided by x2 is 1 minus, and minus becomes plus 1, right? So this will be y minus 2 upon x plus 1 equal to 5. If I take 2 as LCM, 5 minus 4, this 2 will go down, 2 into 2, it will become 4. So y minus 2 upon x plus 1 is equal to 1 by 4. So if I cross multiply, 4y minus 8 is equal to x plus 1. So shift these to the side, I'll get x minus 4y plus 8 and plus 1 equal to 0. So you got x minus 4y plus 9 equal to 0 as the equation of one of the medians, that's AM. Now we will find equation of CL. So let's write the coordinates of C. Coordinates of C are 0 and 4, and coordinates of L we have found as 1 by 2 and 3 by 2. So equation of CL will be y minus y1 upon x minus x1 equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So y minus y1, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. So what is my y1? 4 divided by x minus 0. So equals to y2, which is 3 by 2, minus 4 upon x2 is 1 by 2 minus 0. So this will become y minus 4 upon x equal to, this will be 3, if you take 2 as LCM, 3 minus 8, and this 2 will go down, it will be 1 by 2 into 2, 2 and 2 will go. So you are left with y minus 4 upon x equal to minus 5 upon 1. So if you cross multiply, you will get y minus 4 equal to minus 5x. So shift this to this side, your x should always be positive. 5x plus y minus 4 equal to 0 is the equation of the median CL, right? Now we will find the equation of BN. For that, what is my B? Let me write my B as 2 and 1. And what is my N? My N is minus 1 by 2 and 3. Now this is my x1, y1. This is my x2 and y2. So what will be the equation now? Equation of Bn will be y minus y1 upon x minus x1 equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Let's substitute the values. So we will have y minus, what is my y1? 1 upon x minus x1 is 2, y2 is 3, minus y1 is 1 upon x2 is minus 1 by 2 and x1 is minus 2. Fine. So I will get y minus 1 upon x minus 2 equals to 2 upon, this 2 will come up and here you will have 2 2s are 4, minus 1 is minus 5, right? So you can write this as y minus 1 upon x minus 2 equal to 4 upon minus 5. Now let's cross multiply. We will get minus 5y plus 5 is equal to 4x minus 8. Shift these to this side. So we will get 4x plus 5y minus 8 minus 5 equal to 0. So you got 4x plus 5y minus 13 equal to 0 as the equation of Bn. So we have found the equations of all the three medians. Now he wants us to find the coordinates of the centroid. Now we know how to find the coordinates of the centroid. We have already done that. Centroid is represented by G, right? And the coordinates of centroid are x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 and y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. This is how we find the coordinates of centroid. Now what is centroid? Centroid is the point where all the three medians meet. So this becomes my x1, y1. This is my x2, y2. This is my x3, y3. So let me add all the x1, x2, x3s. So my G will be minus 1 plus 0, plus 2 upon 3 and 2 plus 4 plus 1 upon 3. So that gives me G as 2 minus 1 is 1 by 3 and 4 plus 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7 by 3. So these are the coordinates of the centroid.